Hello friends, today we will learn about how you can restore your WordPress website from a backup. So first you have to log in into your client area. Once you're logged in, you will be on your control panel here. Then you click on backup and restore. Here you can already see that what date you have actually backed up your WordPress, and you must have the zip file with you somewhere on your desktop or your local machine. What you want to do is you want to restore it on your new web hosting, on Dell hosting, or any other places where you want your website to be up and running. So what you need to do is you select the options you want to do. So delete all the files and restore the zip file, or recreate the missing files only, or uncompress all files into a temporary directory. So all these three options are available on Dell hosting. You can also restore the database, and then it will restore the whole database to the date which you have the previous database backup for yourself. Once you select your options, you browse your file, and then you select your zip, and then once you select, you click on the restore backup. The moment you do that, it will start restoring your WordPress installation, and once the restoration is done, your website will be up and running back in the same mode. So this is how you restore your WordPress website via your control panel.